In this guide, I'm going to cover everything you need to know when considering a glass splashback for your kitchen. Stay tuned. Hi guys, Gene here from Economy Glass, your local glass expert based in Hoppers Crossing. For all things glass, call me fast. The colour that you choose for your splashback can be accurately represented depending on the glass type that is chosen. Some glass types have more iron or less iron content in the glass, which increases the tinted colour. To ensure that your colour is accurately represented in your splashback, it's always suggested that you use a low iron glass, such as crystal clear or starfire. This glass has the iron content removed, minimising the tinted effect that the glass will have on your paint colour. When most people think of a glass splashback, they envision a solid colour being painted to the back of the glass. We have a number of different paint finishes that should be considered on your next splashback. With advancements in paint technology, we now have pearl, satin, or metallic finishes that can add an everlasting effect to your next glass splashback. When choosing your next glass splashback, there's a few important points to consider to ensure that your splashback doesn't lose its appeal over time. Savvy interior designers base their paint colours based on an indoor-outdoor theme. There are a number of different things that you should consider when choosing your colour. Careful consideration should be shown to other internal finishings, the light in the area, the layout, and also appliances. You can't just use any type of paint for a glass splashback. Our glass suppliers use special primers and special paint to ensure that this is an everlasting product where you'll have no issues down the track. The paint that we use for glass splashbacks is a special product that is painted onto the glass and then baked in an oven. This paint has everlasting effects and ensures that the colour won't fade or change over time. Here at Economy Glass, we use Dulux paints for all of our splashbacks. It's a quality paint and our suppliers buy this product in bulk, which ensures we get a cost saving we then pass on to you. Thanks for watching, I hope that helped. If you'd like more information, feel free to download our free guide on all things frameless glass.